Crisis Management and Medical Emergencies. Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of crisis management and dealing with medical emergencies in aviation. This topic is essential for ensuring the safety and well-being of both passengers and crew members. We will look into various elements, including cultural differences, interpersonal skills, human factors, stress management, medical emergencies, and security awareness. Cultural differences among passengers and crew members. Aviation brings together people from diverse cultural backgrounds, which can lead to communication challenges. Understanding and managing these differences is crucial for effective crisis management. Crew members must be culturally aware, recognizing and respecting differences in communication styles, behavior, and expectations. This includes understanding verbal and non-verbal cues, such as body language, gestures, and eye contact, which vary across cultures. Language barriers can be significant during a crisis. Ensuring crew members have basic proficiency in multiple languages or access to translation services is vital. Religious sensitivities also play a role. Crew members should be aware of dietary restrictions, prayer practices, and other religious needs to avoid misunderstandings and conflicts. Interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills are essential for managing crises effectively, ensuring smooth communication, and maintaining a calm environment. Clear and concise communication is critical. Crew members should convey information accurately and calmly, providing instructions and updates to passengers. Empathy is another crucial skill. Demonstrating empathy can reassure passengers and build trust. Understanding and addressing passengers' concerns and emotions can reduce panic and improve cooperation. Conflict resolution is also vital. Crew members need to resolve conflicts quickly and effectively, addressing disputes and issues promptly and diplomatically. Human factors and stress management. Understanding human factors and stress management is essential for maintaining control during emergencies. Training crew members to recognize signs of stress is crucial. Stress can impair judgment and performance, so identifying and addressing it promptly is essential. Stress reduction techniques, such as deep breathing, mindfulness, and visualization, can help crew members manage stress. Regular training and practice of these techniques enhance their effectiveness during a crisis. Fatigue management is also vital. Implementing strategies like adequate rest periods and workload distribution helps maintain alertness and performance. Dealing with medical emergencies. Dealing with medical emergencies on board requires quick and efficient responses. First aid training is essential for all crew members. They should be proficient in CPR, wound care, and handling common medical conditions like asthma attacks or allergic reactions. This training should be regularly updated. Aircraft should be equipped with comprehensive medical kits, including essential supplies and medications. Crew members must be familiar with the contents and how to use them. Coordination with ground-based medical professionals is crucial during in-flight medical emergencies. Crew members should communicate effectively with medical experts and follow their instructions. Collecting and reviewing passenger medical information before the flight helps prepare for potential emergencies. Identifying passengers with known medical conditions and ensuring they have necessary medications and equipment is key. Security and terrorism awareness. Ensuring the safety and security of passengers and crew is paramount. Awareness and preparedness for security threats, including terrorism, are critical components of crisis management. Crew members should receive regular security training, covering how to recognize and respond to potential threats. This includes both physical security measures and awareness of suspicious behavior. Effective screening procedures for passengers and luggage help prevent security threats. Crew members should be familiar with these procedures and understand their importance in maintaining safety. Clearly defined emergency protocols for dealing with security threats, such as hijacking or terrorist activities, are essential. These protocols should be regularly reviewed and practiced through drills. Close collaboration with security agencies, including airport security and law enforcement, enhances preparedness and response to security threats. Sharing information and coordinating efforts are crucial for maintaining a safe and secure aviation environment. In conclusion, effective crisis management and dealing with medical emergencies in aviation are vital for ensuring the safety and well-being of everyone on board. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the world of aviation safety.